Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing this case for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max from a company called Humixx. This is the case to get if you're someone who wants the maximum amount of protection with the minimal amount of case. It's a very slim fit case, but offers great 14-foot military drop protection, and as you can see, full protection for your cameras. Nice little slide function, just really nice smooth slide. Just slides right over, really great. Nice, cool design you get on this case. You've got these little divots, little air pockets in the corner that help protect in case of a drop, all the cutouts. Really nice looking case, a matte finish, so doesn't show your fingerprints, and also nice and grippy. We're gonna put this on my phone because I'm sure you wanna see it in action. Again, it is available for the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. And this is the 15 Pro Max is what I have it on, but it's good for the Pro or the Pro Max. So you can see right there, nice look, goes on really easily, and see, just slides over, reveals the cameras, but when you're not using them, nice and protected, so you know your cameras are going to be protected. But that's not all. It's also got a nice lip around the front, so a raised lip to protect the screen when you're laying it down flat. You've got covers, nice textured, you can see this nice textured covered buttons, nice tactile feel to that on both sides. So for your volume rocker as well as the action button, nice texture to that, so really easy to find those. Again, it's got that nice matte finish, very grippy, doesn't slide out of your hands, but it's nice and smooth. It's got a nice sort of silky touch to it. It's going to go in and out of your pockets without any problem at all. It's got a nice just a little bit of a textured design there to give it a nice look. And again, that matte finish, so you don't see fingerprints on it. Very simple case, but really, really excellent again for people who want the maximum amount of protection, but you don't want a lot of bulk. It's a very slim fit case. You can see on the bottom here, you've got the cutouts that you would want. Plenty of room for your USB-C charger as well as your speakers. Cut out on the top here for the top speaker. Everything is exactly where it needs to be, and works great. Really good looking case, very simple, but very nice and slim and very functional. Definitely gives you a protection without adding any bulk to your phone. And then you have that really cool, nice, smooth slide camera cover. So if you want to protect your camera as much as you possibly can, then this is going to fully protect it when you're not using it, which is great. You want to use it, just slide that open and it stays locked in place. So really excellent case by Humixx. Again, if you're looking for the utmost of protection, really top-notch protection, but you want a slim fit, slim case with a nice grip and no fingerprint showing, and protect your cameras, again for the iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max, then this case by Humixx is a really excellent case. It is available in black, as you see here. It's also available in blue and available in clear. So you can get black, blue, or clear for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, and this is definitely a case that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this video. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.